Hey, hey, yeah, hey. I'm a fucking killer, nigga. For real, nigga. Look up under my belt, that's all you see is steel, nigga. I'm a real nigga, standing tall, nigga. I'm a big nigga, standing tall, nigga. I'm a fucking nigga. All of y'all is scared of me, especially y'all crackers, but none of y'all will fear me. Understand my thoughts and every will kill me. Every nigga try, but I will succeed. I am what you gonna do, that's sustaining me. You will never stop me, I'm unstoppable. Came in this bitch like I watch it impossible. Y'all niggas rocky, I'm Lil Savage. I'm Lil Zook and I'm going off a foot. Baby girl, she already know what to do. All the bitches love me, all the bitches love me. When they see me say hey hug me. Watch me do my dirty. Hey, every nigga try me. I'ma knock his lights about. Everybody know what the fuck I'm talking about. When I really smoke, make this neighborhood clap. Man, I be on the floor, but I live in here and back. Hey, y'all nigga try me. Tired of y'all trying me. Everybody know that the eye right beside me. Keep it on my hip just in case a nigga flip. And then I shot him in his lip and they will call a big sip. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. When they see me say hey hug me. This is my doggy. Hey, watch him do my doggy. Watch the ladies love me. When they see me say hey hug me. This is I'm huggy. Hey, I'm done. I'm just fucking with y'all niggas real talk. Not this bitch, nigga. Y'all already know.